Hello, this is Mr. Doty, and I wanted to kind of go over how you're supposed to do the Excel part of the class. So, under week 3, you got Microsoft Excel. Um, I'm not sure what the Excel lecture video, why it's hidden. Could be why you don't know what's going on. But anyway, um, so you get the week 3 module overview, which basically tells you that you're going to be doing Excel module 1, review assignment, case problem 1, Excel module 2, review assignment, and case problem 1. And then we skip over to 4 and do module 4 review and case problem 1. Now the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are going through the class and using this link right here to get to Cengage. Okay? Don't do the backdoor method. Don't go to Cengage.com or whatever. I don't know. Sometimes it just doesn't work right. I know if you go in this way, it's going to take you to your class and you'll find what you need to find. So when you go to the class, let me close this out. I've tried to make the video and I'm remaking the video, so here we go. So here's the class. You know, we've done stuff up here. We did the file management, technology for success, and then we did Microsoft Word. Well, in Excel, there's no difference. Basically, you've got Excel Module 1, you know, there we go. So you start out like this. You click on the little down arrow. You've got Learn It. You click on it. This opens up. This is the book. So you click on here and it opens up, and originally it'll open up right here because this is a table of contents. And so what you do, now you can go through and do the stuff in here if you want. You'll have to go back and download the original files, which is in a link at the top of the class under the, the first area up there where the file management is. But you don't have to. Now, I do have a lecture on how to do this, and I thought it was on there, and maybe that's the video that's turned off that I need to turn back on. So anyway, I do go through how to use Excel and how to do some different things, and it's a long video, but you know what? If you want to learn how to do this, then you got to figure it out. So anyway, you can go through this if you want to. This is not the assignment though. The assignments that you're going to do are actually at the bottom. And when you get down here to the bottom, you can click on review and it will take you to the review assignment. And this works for all 3 modules. This is this one here, and it does not have any files associated with it. So you don't have to go back to the class and go find any files, right? Well, yes, that's correct. So anyway, this is the review assignment, and there's nothing you have to do except start a new file, follow the directions, and then once you're done, you save it, and then you'll go back over here and you'll upload it to the review assignment link here. You open it up, you attach the file using the paperclip, and then you would move on to case problem 1. And so when you get done with the review assignment, then you just click on this little arrow right here and it will take you over to case problem 1. And there you are, and you just start off with this. There's a file. You'll have to go download. You go back over to the class, go to module 1, case problem 1, and here's the file you need. So you just click on the 3 dots, download original file. It's going to pop up in your browser. You just hit this, and now it's going to come up on the other screen. I guess because I moved it over there earlier. But anyway, and here's the file that you would start on to do what you need to do. Now, the directions are right here. So if you've got two, well, in class we have two monitors, or you can split your screen, and it's real easy to do. You just grab this, drag it over to about right, I don't know, right here, and it'll put that there, and then it'll ask you, what do you want on the other side? Well, in this case, I could put this guy, and so then I could have both things. I could have my directions, and then there's my thing I'm working on, and I can do that. Now, if you've got two screens, you can have this on one screen and this on another screen. So maybe I just added more fun for you, but anyway, the deal is your directions are right here. You follow the directions, go through the whole thing. Now, something you've got to remember is just like on Word, some of the information, like, let's see, is it no, oh, wait. So under page layout, you've got themes. Now, you're going to notice that mine is set on Office 2013 to 2022. That's the one you want to use because that's going to have the right color schemes. So if you're looking for certain colors, okay, that's how you fix it. You go to themes, you click on this, and then it'll change it to what you need. Because when you need to go and you need to do a fill color, right? So you want to click on a fill color, and you want to have, they tell you that you needed to have a gold accent for lighter 40%, then, you know, that's where you would find it. And, you know, I noticed in the people that have turned in some of the Word stuff that didn't have the right colors. And I have a feeling it's because it didn't change the theme. And it's under page layout in Excel. Okay, so if you have questions, please send me an email. Don't use the messaging because I won't get back to you as fast as if you send me an email. And for those of you that have been sending me emails, I appreciate it. I've been doing my best to get back with you as quickly as I can. So this works the same for each of the different modules, as far as you got module 1, you got module 2, and you got module 4. I'm just going to hit it. There we go. When you go to module 2, you click on that, click on Learn It, and then you click on here. This is the book part again, and I was already there, but you start off in the table of contents, and then you just scroll on down until you find review. And then you got your practice review assignment here. It tells you need to have a file. So where do you find the file? You go back to the assignment that you're looking for, review assignment. There's the file you need. You click on the 3 dots. Now, to get this guy right here, this is a background that you're going to use. You click on this little 3 dots and download original file. Otherwise, it'll just open it up and you're like, what am I going to do now? You just need to download it. It'll be in your downloads, and that's where you go find it. Okay, so that's module 2 for the review assignment. Then you would click on the little arrow. You would go to case problem 1. It tells you you need to have this file. Guess where it's at? It's back here on here. So module 2, case problem 1. Click on there. There's the file you need. You click on the 3 dots, download original file. It pops up in your downloads, and then you click on and open it up. And then you go back over here and find your directions, follow the directions. And the same thing goes for, the same thing goes for module 4. Click on Learn It. Click on the book. And it's going to start off here. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and review. Now, if you want to work through any of those units yourself, that's fine. That's not a problem. If you wanted to start off and go through the tutorials, you can do that. Now, when you do that, you're going to be missing some files. Those files are under Course Orientation, Download Student Data Files, and then you're going to pick, you scroll down, you're looking for Excel, you're in the introductory part here, and you would download Excel modules 1 through 4. And you click on that, it'll download, and then you can go find what you need. I've given you everything you need besides the original data files for for you to do the assignments that I need you to do. And I'm going to figure out where my lecture went because I thought it was already on here. So anyway, if you have questions, send me an email, and otherwise we'll see you on the next video. Have fun.